The next in the series is a back rolling breakfall that builds on your back roll. If you're watching these out of sequence, go back, watch the back breakfall, and then we'll get the back rolling breakfall. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to bend our knees, as we did before. We're going to hit the mats, as we did before. Now this time, your head turns one direction, and your knees go the other side. And the reason your head goes to one side is to leave space. So from here, we're just going to push our knees together, bring our knees over, and reach with your right foot, and back up and in the stance. And we'll do that again. So from this position, a low squat, we're going to fall back, slap the mats, knees one side, head the other side. We're going to push back and over, extend through with your right foot, push off with your hands, and back and in the stance. Now we're going to do it a bit quicker. So from here, we're going to start from a fighting stance, square feet off, mats over the top, and up and in the stance. And again, from your fighting stance, we're going to square the feet off, mats over the top, and up in the stance. And I would practice that from the side so you see different angles. So from here, we're going to take it from fighting stance, square the feet off, bend the knees, over the top. You can see the way I'm reaching with this foot and then pushing off with my hands and in the position. We'll do it from this direction, from here, fighting stance, square off, drop down, tap the mats, reaching with this foot. And you can see when I reach, I bring myself into a fighting stance straight away, and here we go. Do one more time, from here, position, fighting stance, square, drop, over, up, and into position. And that's your back rolling breakfall.